Welcome to my channel UK Rides. Today we're stepping into a whole new dimension of luxury and performance because I've got my hands on the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL Mythos Series. And trust me when I say this, luxury just got insane. Now, let's start with the exterior. The first thing you notice is that grille. It's not just big, it's monumental. A massive vertical chrome masterpiece that looks like it belongs on the front of a royal palace, not a car. Flanking it are ultra-thin LED headlights, designed to cut through the night like laser beams. The entire front end has that unmistakable Maybach aura, imposing, confident, and dripping with prestige. This is a car that doesn't just drive into a room, it owns the room the second it appears. Move to the side profile and things get even more dramatic. That long, sculpted pearl white body with a glossy black roofline feels like a perfect blend of art and aerodynamics. It sits low, with bold, muscular shoulders and sweeping lines that make it look like it's in motion even when parked. And then, of course, those massive multi-spoke rims with chrome accents. They're not just wheels, they're jewelry for the streets. Now, let's swing around to the back. The Mythos series carries a continuous LED light strip across the rear, a glowing signature that makes it instantly recognizable even from a distance. Subtle chrome accents around the bumper bring balance between futuristic minimalism and old-school luxury detailing. It's sleek, modern, and powerful all at once. But the real story, as always with Maybach, is on the inside. Open those doors and step into a cabin that feels less like a car and more like a private jet fused with a luxury lounge. Everything is wrapped in premium pearl white and black leather, stitched to perfection. Chrome detailing runs across the dashboard, catching the ambient LED glow that fills the cabin with a futuristic vibe. The centerpiece is, without question, the panoramic digital display that spans across the dashboard. It's massive, crystal, clear, and fully customizable. Imagine having everything you could ever need: navigation, performance data, entertainment, all flowing seamlessly across a single uninterrupted screen. And for the driver, a holographic HUD projects key details directly onto the windshield, making sure your eyes never leave the road. Then there's the steering wheel. Minimal, futuristic, and proudly displaying the illuminated Maybach emblem at the center. It's not overloaded with buttons, just clean, intuitive touch controls that keep the focus on driving. And let's be honest, holding that wheel makes you feel like you're commanding more than a car. You're commanding an empire. Now let's talk performance. Mercedes hasn't revealed every detail yet, but the Mythos series isn't just about looking pretty. This beast is rumored to pack serious horsepower under the hood, delivering a ride that's both thunderously powerful and buttery smooth. Expect advanced hybrid or possibly fully electric tech with instant torque, adaptive suspension, and the kind of handling that makes 2 tons of luxury feel like a feather in your hands. This isn't just transportation, it's dominance on the open road. And here's the thing, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL Mythos Series isn't just a car, it's a statement. It says, "I've arrived, I own the future, and I'll do it in absolute comfort." The exclusivity, the craftsmanship, the attention to detail, all of it combines to create something very few people will ever experience, but everyone will dream about. So, what's my verdict? The Mythos series doesn't just raise the bar. In luxury cars, it destroys it and builds something entirely new. It's bold, it's breathtaking, and it's unapologetically Maybach. And that wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL Mythos series, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to UK Rides, and join me as we explore more jaw-dropping machines from around the world. Because trust me, this is just the beginning.